Hi all, welcome to our channel, and in this video we will talk about the latest and the upgraded 3x3 from Moyu, the Moyu Vlong WRM 2020. So without any further delay, let's get started. Vlong WRM 2020 is a flagship cube from Moyu, which is an upgraded version of the previous and popular version Vlong WRM. The cube comes in a well-designed hard cardboard box with a really cool design on top. Inside the box, we get a solving pamphlet, a manual, Moyu cards, a WRM display box, instruction of display box along with an accessories box that has adjustment tools, additional magnets, extra springs, a washer and a replacement cord. Talking about the specifications, the Moyu Vlong WRM 2020 is a lightweight cube that weighs approximately 74 grams, lighter than its previous version. The size of the cube is 55 mm, which is 0.5 mm smaller than its previous version. The cube comes factory magnetized with a bit of lubrication and has a matte surface finish, unlike the glossy finish in the previous version. Out of the box, the cube is super fast, hand feel is more stable, and it's extremely smooth. It has a more pronounced magnetic feel. Although magnets are small in size, it gives you enough magnetic feel. Turning is effortless and is enjoyable. The speed of the cube is incredible and it literally glides when you turn. With a little bit of setup with Cubelelo Calm Lube, the cube will become more controllable. It also features a dual adjustment system which was there in the old version of WRM, so you can adjust the tensioning and elasticity of the cube according to your cubing needs. It has engraved circles inside the corners, which is a unique design in the Moyu cubes. Overall, this cube is excellent and is very cheap for a flagship. If you are looking for the fastest cube out there, this is the one for you. If you're not a fan of the frosted surface, then this cube is also available in black as well as with half price stickers. We gave this cube to our team member and one-hand national record holder Bhargav Narasimhan. Let's see what he has to say about the cube.
Hey everyone, this is Bhargav Narasimhan. The Vlong WRM 2020, which is the flagship that Moyu has released, is a very interesting cube. If you have been a fan of WRM, you may notice the difference in shades in the WRM 2020 version. The cube comes with some darker shades and a matte finish, which really help with the visibility. The cube might feel a little slippery at first, but it gets better with a few sols. The cube also comes with the same spring compression system present in the previous version, and is a little smaller in size compared to its predecessor. Now coming on to its performance, the WRM 2020 feels much more smooth and bears magnets that feel a little stronger. The cube is also much lighter than the WRM, making it a great candidate for the one-handed event. Even though the cube was really good out of the box, I personally like it better if the cube didn't click in place after every move, as that would be very bad for OH. I lubed it with lots of Cubelelo Calm and DNM37, which made it much more compatible for OH and 2H at the same time. I really like how Moyu makes one-stop shop cubes for both OH and 2H, previously the WRM and now the WRM 2020. Overall, the cube feels like a premium version of a Yushin Little Magic M, so if you like that, you will enjoy this as well. If you have been a big fan of the previous version of WRM, this is an upgrade worth going for.
As always, the link to buy the cube is in the description box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for our latest content. Do hit the like icon if you like the information in this video. We'll see you in the next one very soon. Happy cubing!